Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening YouTube, and realizing every single video is made by artificial intelligence. No MrBeast, no PewDiePie, no Logan Paul, just machines. What would happen to the internet's biggest platform if humans were no longer allowed to create? YouTube has over 3 billion monthly users. For most of us, it's not just entertainment. It's education, jobs, even income. But what if AI replaced every creator? Would YouTube still feel alive? Or would it feel like a soulless machine? At first, it might look amazing. AI could upload millions of videos every day in every language, covering every topic. Science, gaming, movies, fitness, zero mistakes, no scandals, no controversies, perfect thumbnails, perfect editing, perfect content. And imagine this. You search for any question, and instantly, a perfectly crafted video appears, just for you. No waiting, no searching, just answers. But here's a question no one asks. What if you're already watching AI videos and you just don't know it? Think about it. AI-generated thumbnails, AI voiceovers, AI faces so realistic, you can't even tell they're fake. How many channels out there might already be run by machines? But here's the problem. Would anyone trust it? Human creators bring emotions, mistakes, even drama, and that's what makes us connect. Without real faces and real stories, would YouTube turn into a digital ghost town? Or worse, a place where nothing feels real anymore? Think about the economy. Millions of YouTubers survive on this platform. If AI takes over, millions could lose their jobs overnight. No brand deals, no ad revenue, just corporations running AI channels. And then what? Would creativity die? Or would humans find a new space outside YouTube? And here's the scariest part. Who controls the AI? Google? Governments? Or some secret company behind the scenes? Imagine if AI decided what information you see and what truths get hidden. What if history itself could be rewritten, not by people, but by algorithms? Some might argue AI could actually make YouTube better. Faster uploads, smarter recommendations, no drama. But others would say, without human imagination, art dies. Without human flaws, stories lose meaning. So ask yourself, would you prefer perfection or imperfection with soul? So, what do you think? If AI completely took over YouTube, would it be better than humans? Or would we lose the magic that makes this platform alive? Tell me in the comments. Would you watch AI-created videos if humans disappeared from YouTube tomorrow? And more importantly, would you even notice the difference?